Difference between troposphere and stratosphere. Troposphere, stratosphere. Number 1. It is the lowest part of the Earth's atmosphere. It is the second lowest layer of the Earth's atmosphere. It stands at a height of around 10 km to 12 km above sea level. It rises up to 50 km to 55 km above sea level. The troposphere contains around 75 to 80% of the mass of the atmosphere. The stratosphere has a far less amount of atmosphere than the troposphere. Without increase of altitude, temperature decreases at a rate of 6 degrees centigrade per kilometer. Its temperature range is from 15 degrees centigrade to minus 56 degrees centigrade. The higher the altitude, the hotter it gets. Ozone, which is found in the troposphere, is a polluting gas. The presence of ozone is responsible for the rise of temperature in stratosphere. There is a lot of movement of the air, and this area is part of an active weather system. There is a lack of air movement in this area. Almost all aeroplanes pass through this layer. Aeroplanes are not permitted in this layer. Nitrogen dioxide, oxygen dioxide, and carbon dioxide and water vapors are the most essential gases in this sphere. The pressure of these gases in the stratosphere is quite low.